So my game looks something like this. Yeah, this is boring. So my first idea was to add enemies, which I definitely did not steal from our creators. But before that, I still need to fix some issues like some user experience things. Let's say now it's quite hard to see when a user is selecting some items to pick up or is dragging some, so let's fix that by adding a different color overlay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yep. Also, you can see the clipping of the overlay in the ground, and that doesn't look good. So to fix that, we simply add a new camera, select that camera as an overlay, and make it not render some things like the ground. So, or actually render some things above or in front of other things. I don't know how it works. Don't ask me that nerd shit. But yeah, we do this, and now it looks good. That's all that matters. To be honest, after that, we can move on and go to the enemies. So how do we add them? Well, first, I guess we need a model, for which I'll grab some inspiration from our creators, let's say. We speed this up, and we get something like this. It's gonna have 4 legs, so we can technically call it a crab, not a spider. And then we can call it, yeah, done. It's a prototype. I don't need to have many details. Let's just, if you wanna look, I did very many terrible jobs at this. I don't understand that I have no talent in this. So let's just call it this a masterpiece for my skill, and let's move on. However, now I need to add animations, and that's pretty goddamn hard. And I don't have the skill for it as well. So to fix that, we're simply gonna use code and scripts to animate, like we did for a character. We're gonna use a case, we're gonna add them for each of the leg, we're gonna add some more case for the head to make it look at something. Not we're gonna use it now. But I was working on all this stuff, and I figured, damn, my game sucks ass. I don't think I can do anything with shit. Like, literally. What can I cook with this? I cannot cook this. And so I thought, let's upgrade my game. Let's make it first-person shooter. Why not, yeah? So I created a new project. I added a bean. I added some goggles for this bean. Now this bean can move with some code, of course. Now, I want to create a game that's gonna have some cool ass movement, okay? So like sliding, jumping, of course, some inertia, you know, sliding, jumping off walls, grabbing ledges, Assassin's Creed parkour shit. Maybe just copy everything from our creators, really. I mean, take some inspiration. And after taking inspiration is done, well, I didn't have time to create all of that, and that's pretty hard, because that requires a lot of states and handling all different scenarios, and that's time consuming, so I'll not be doing this in this video, but I can show you some progress, some secret, spicy progress on the ledge grab. Basically, it's a little cube, which we can make red at some point, and it has a transform connected to it. This transform basically defines where the character is gonna land, and the ledge later will have some places or another transforms which will mark the spots for the case. So we're gonna reuse the IK logic from a top-down game to handle the ledge grab. Basically, it's gonna look realistic the way the character is grabbing the ledge, and after that's done, we can add the same for the legs. So it's like, no, actually pushing off with the legs to you know, push yourself to grab the ledge or to climb up it. We're gonna add some, yeah, probably no animations, maybe some animations, but I'll try to do most of the case to to actually keep the logic as it was. Like the whole game is gonna really be surrounded for with a case. And if that's gonna work out, it's gonna be great. Else we gonna do some animations if my code is not good enough to handle all the scenarios. But yeah, the idea now is to get the movement as perfect as possible. I want to do some sliding, as I mentioned, I want to do some sliding. I want to do jumping off ledges, grabbing ledges, maybe double jumping, maybe some inertia from where you slide, you jump, you climb some stuff, you maybe jump off a wall, and all the good stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, stick around and we'll see how it goes.